Luxury and comfort abound from this nicely appointed home. The property abuts a green space with direct access to the lake. Crafted in 2020, this home would make a fantastic primary or vacation home. As you enter, you are greeted with a beautiful open floor plan. Premium hardwood flooring with lots of space to relax under the glow of the gas stack stone fireplace. Flowing from the living room to the bright custom kitchen, you will find subway tile backsplash upgrade stainless steel appliances with additional beverage cooler. Cabinetry features pull-outs, soft close doors and drawers. Ample bar top seating perfect for entertaining. Spacious dining area with open natural light. Covered back deck situated with a lake view, being just feet away from the lake for enjoying swimming, fishing, kayaking or picnic right off your backyard under a canopy of trees. Master on main level with gorgeous walk-in tile shower, custom vanity with natural stone top. Main level spacious laundry room leading to double car garage including an extra storage room. Upstairs second bedroom having 2 large closets with attic storage as well. Upstairs third bedroom with gaming or office room. Premium outswing casement windows and upstairs bedroom nooks. Full bath with custom tile flooring. Plenty of storage area under the back portion of the home's crawl space for garden tools etc. Located in a Tellico lakefront golf community. Kayet offers beautiful link-style golf courses, casual dining. Kayet Community Center, tennis courts, heated swimming pool, exercise equipment, and much more. Buyers to verify square footage.